What we're going to do is add our milk in a pan to boil. Look at that milk, it's clean, white, creamy. So till the time the milk is going to come to a boil, we are going to roast our sevai and nuts. Alright, so the pan is hot. Add a little bit of coconut oil, just as much as we need to roast our sevai. So as you start to boil your milk, I mean the cashew milk, it will start getting thick. So we're going to add some more water because we want the consistency to be thick but not too thick. So that's the advantage with your nut milk, is the fact that you really don't have to add condensed milk, none of that, you know, the nuts will do the job. So the sevai are also nice and roasted now. And now in the same pan, going to roast the nuts. All of these, about 10 grams each. Without adding your raisins, you'll roast all the nuts on a slow flame. Okay. All right. So the nuts are also done.